How to change small letters to capital letter in Excel. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to do so that you can follow up in order to make changes on that. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. For example, this is an example right here. You can open up your own Excel file, and one method we can do is we can use upper formula. So here what we can do is we can just go over and type in is equal to. After that, type in upper, and you can select the cell that you would like to convert into capital and close it up and hit enter, and it will give us the capital 1. You can basically head over and drag and drop it once you've done so to make up the changes to apply it to other cells, and you will be getting the result. Apart from that, we can copy and replace the original data as well. So you can basically copy up your column and you can paste special. So after using the formula, you can even click on here and Control V, and when you do, you can click on paste special, this one right here, and use the option for values and go ahead and click on OK and confirm it up. And when you go ahead and paste it, you should basically be getting what you are looking for. That will replace small letters with capital letters. So before doing so, you can head over and right click on paste special once you've done so, and that will do it. Or we have another method which is flash fill. So here in this section, what we can do is right in the empty section, we can type it in capital first and start typing next one. Excel will suggest the pattern you can see here like this, and you can press on enter, and that will do it. And that's it. Using the lower uppercase function should probably make it very easy for you. You can follow the simple method. Excel does not have a direct button to change case like Word, so formulas are the easiest method. So that's it everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and subscribe for more.